How to convert Canva website to HTML. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert Canva into your HTML. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to convert your Canva's website into an HTML, this is what you will need to do. So first, if you see if you've made your edits that you want on your Canva, you should be now good to go. What you first need to do is publish your website. So you can tap on Publish Website, then choose a site, then tap on Publish. After you publish the website, it will start preparing a design and publishing it. So wait till it does that. And after it does that, you can tap on this View Website option. After you tap on View Website, it should take you to Canva's website, and there you can see the website. And after you've seen the website, you can scroll around here, find what you want. Then simply right click on it. Then you can tap on View Source. So there you can see View Page Source. Tap on that. And it should take you to the HTML. There you can see the HTML, and then you can copy it and do what you want. What you can also do is you can right click here, go to Inspect, and find what elements has what HTML, and you can copy that from here as well. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.